There's a reason for that. Don't worry about the reason. There we go. That time I know I shot it. I could feel it, things like that piece of cardboard. It's been shot with a .45 caliber 1911. Who's ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? I'm ready for this. That is a beautiful weapon. Let's fire this weapon. Achoo! That was cool. That was pretty freaking cool. Once again, audience, welcome back to another exciting episode. This is my special surprise I have here. I found this old microwave and I decided myself, let's see if it still works. So it still starts and runs, but there must be something inside of it because it like sparks up like the 4th of fucking July, right? So I figure that doesn't much matter, seeing as I'm going to destroy it anyway. It's on and going. Oh, there it goes. Man, look at all that radiation just coming off that. Let's see just what we have to do to get that to stop functioning. Man, that looks dangerous. I'm not going anywhere near that. Ah, it's still going. That is awesome. We're gonna shoot it with this .45 caliber round. Or 44, not 45. Let's see if it stops functioning after that. I know it's not doing the spark thing anymore, but it is still on. That was pretty cool. I'd go over and check it out, but it's still running. Yep, it's still going. I can hear it. So we're gonna shoot it again, just to see what happens. My hypothesis, this one's gonna make it stop, because I'm gonna shoot it right inside. Yeah, that one made it stop. Ah, it just beeped. It was like, hey, we're still here and we're still functioning. So, let's shoot it with a 12 gauge shell. This one's just a bird shot. Should be fun. Still has power going to it. I don't know if that's the case anymore. I'm not sure. I have no idea. But it's no longer functioning, so let's take a step over there to go see what's going on here. How you doing there, microwave? You good? It still has power. That clock light there is still on. I'm not surprised to see 12 gauge shell didn't penetrate proper. But I know what will penetrate proper. A 30-06 round. Or a bunch of AK shells. Which do you think I should do, audience? 30-06 or AK-47? You know what, let's hit it with one of these slugs right here. I feel like this microwave has not been slugged enough. There's a pun there somewhere, but I was not able to find it. For that, I apologize. Bam. Slug round. Because these are kind of loud, I'm going to throw this on. I know a lot of people are like, don't be a freaking pansy, you don't need that. And I'm just over here like, yeah, I know I don't. But having it is just so nice. Alright, I'm going to shoot it right in the side. Right where I shot it last time. Well, I know I hit it. I'm going to shoot it in the front too. Just because. See if I can hit the buttons right there. Ah, I can. Hey, the light's on. I fixed the light. That light is up and functioning now. Look at that. I don't really know why it was spazzing out earlier, but I don't really care. Well, I shot right there into the side. The slug came right out the back. Right here, it looks like I shot right into the buttons. The slug slammed right there. How y'all doing? There's ants in there. How the hell are they still alive? I would turn the microwave back on, but it's compromised now, so I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I'm sure I could turn the microwave back on, but I don't want to. I do know it still has power, because the light's on. Matter of fact, I'm going to open up that door and see just how long it takes us to turn off the light. It's fucking running still. I heard it. It was like humming. Here, let's go up to it. It's not running very well. I don't feel any radiation. You guys hear that? Motherfucker's still on and kicking. Well, we're gonna have to fix that shit. I don't like it whenever my microwave continues to run after it has several holes in it. Alright, audience. I don't know how many AK-47 rounds I have in there, just like I, normally never know. I don't much count them. Probably should, but nah. I'm gonna throw our gun muffs on right here. We're gonna grab this very sexy looking AK-47. Look at this thing. This thing is just classic AK-47. And then we're gonna see if we can cut the power on that thing. Because I'm feeling a little woozy over here. I think that's the cause. All right, I think we hit it. Just to be safe, I got my 30-06 over here, and I have some soft points ammo. These are gonna fuck that thing up. Bam, 30-06 right there. Soft tips. Given to us by our federal government. Come on, get him. Alright, audience, let's go check out this microwave. What do you think happened? Is it still going? Nope, I don't hear any sort of functionality in this thing anymore. Seem to have blown out the back pretty well. That's good. Look at all the broken glass. That doesn't seem to be functioning anymore. So I'm gonna open that door. That's what I want to do. I want to open this door. And what better way to do that while the latch is broken than with a 12 gauge shotgun shell? That'll open that door right fucking up, man. I don't like how it's slanted down though, but I also don't really care. Good news, I can see the door. I opened it. Let's go have a look inside. How long is our time running here? 2 minutes and 58 seconds. On this particular cut of the video. Do we still have power? I'm sure there still is power in there somewhere. But maybe not. Because the cook light's off. I think we finally lost power. How do you like that? Man, this is a durable little microwave. Now we're gonna unplug it. Bring the cord over here so I don't destroy it. And we're gonna stick half a stick of dynamite in there to see what happens. Alright, audience, our microwave is successfully on fire. Grab a couple of these. Let's see, where's that Henry rifle? There it is. I actually think I still have rounds in this thing. I do still have rounds in this thing. So while our microwave is burning, we're gonna take our 2 miniature sticks of dynamite. Set them like right here. That'll work. Man, it is hot in there. And then we're gonna shoot it with this thing and watch it explode. That is all right. It is okay to miss. I can't even see them anymore though. There's one. number 2. Maybe. At this point, I don't see number 2. I'm just gonna fire into that thing. Alright, audience. What do you think happened? I don't think very much damage happened to that thing at all. Let's fix that. Put the fire out before we go check it out, just in case the lighter survived. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. I'm not so sure I want to go near that right now. I think that might be one of the lighters. Good God. Alright, the explosion did, like, do something, like, perched out the side right there. Woohoo! It is one of the lighters. Look at that fucker go. That would have been so much cooler if it was on fire. Well, we've burned the bottom. You can see how it's kind of bulged on the inside. But the explosion didn't do that much, but that was just a quarter stick of dynamite. Not half like I wanted. That's okay. And I say it's okay because we still have a microwave to shoot. I'm going to load in one of these slug rounds and fire it right through the side. We're going to see what sort of damage that does. Let's see what happens. I got pelted by some shrapnel. That's always fun. Stay. Stop you. Stop moving, man. Let's see now. Anything interesting? Nah. Just another big ass boulder. I know what'll be interesting. Got a rock. I know whenever you shoot these things, we got a bunch of shrapnel that comes out. Let's see what sort of explosive force the exploding rock has. And we're going to shoot it with my 30-06. My trusty, dusty, rusty 30-06. Where's my 30-06? There it is. Come here, you. 30-06 bullet. Look, the door even closed. That's even better. Oh man, this is going to be awesome. Pay attention, audience. This is Physics 101. It seems like whenever something is hit very, very, very quickly by hot lead, the hot lead seems to do a lot of damage. But we cannot say for certain that this is the case. Although I am curious to see what sort of damage it did. It like bulged out in the microwave even more. Got some rock in there. I can't really tell what's shrapnel and what's just regular damage. Kinda hard to tell with a microwave like this. High quality fucker though. Why, I bet you we could still plug that thing in and make it work. That's pretty cool with the lighter spinning earlier. That was actually pretty badass. I might just have to upload that one to YouTube. Alright, audience, what are we going to shoot this thing with next? The Mosin Nagant has not had any love so far today. We're going to change that. This is our lovely 762 by 54R round. And a beautiful round it is. Although I'm sure it just went right through. But you know what? That microwave seems to be a bitch. I talked to it. It's kind of bitchy today. Isn't that right, microwave? Of course, I'd be feeling kind of bitchy if I got shot 50 times. What about you guys? Would you be feeling bitchy? I'd be feeling bitchy. My shotgun could use some cleaning. It's older than I am. I don't think it's been cleaned once. That used to be my father's shotgun. It's a great little shotgun, man. I have a lot of fun with that thing. Well, we fucked this microwave's day up, man. We fucked it up. But I feel like today would not be complete unless we lit all those wires on fire. Alright, I would like to first off thank all you guys for joining me on my randomly fun adventures. There we go, that should burn nicely. I'm not even sure if I got that on camera. I just poured a bunch of lighter fluid in here. Thank you all for joining me on my fantastic adventures. I have a lot of fun doing these things. If you want to just see more of my daily life, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and neighbors and uncles and aunts and whoever the hell. And tune in next time for the next time I decide to destroy something, which I'm sure will be today, knowing me. I'll probably get hungry, go have some lunch, come back out and be like, ooh, guns and ammo. And then I'll shoot something else. Ooh, something exploded over there. And now we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the crackling fire inside the microwave. Wow, that fire is spreading pretty quick. It's awesome. Normally whenever copper wire burns, it's like a green, but in this case it's not. I see white fire in there, but no green. Maybe it's just not hot enough. Anyway, audience, you have yourselves a fantastic day. Go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, share to Twitter and Facebook. I'm going to be making a Tumblr for this. I think that's how you pronounce that. I already got a Facebook page up and going. That's probably where a good portion of the views come from. I'm not entirely sure on that fact, though. Leave a comment. Say hi. I mean, you don't even have to tell me anything. Just say hello. Look, we have green fire in there from the copper. Look at that. I kind of want to shoot that while it's on fire. But I also really want to watch it burn. I'm not sure which I'll do. I'll figure. It's been like half an hour now and this thing is still burning. Like, I went inside, made a sandwich, watched an episode of something. I'm not sure if I want to say that because of copyright reasons. Half an hour show and I come back out here and it's still fucking burning. Like, damn. Forget kerosene lamps, just get yourself a fucking